The 5-second rule is a concept that suggests that if you pick up food that has fallen on the floor within 5 seconds, it is still safe to eat and won't have harmful bacteria on it. However, this idea has been widely debated in the scientific community, and there is limited research to support the validity of this rule. In her book, The 5-Second Rule: Transform Your Life, Work, and Confidence with Everyday Courage, author MEL ROBBINS explores the science behind the rule and argues that the 5-second rule can be applied to various aspects of life, not just food on the floor. Robbins encourages readers to use the 5-second rule as a tool to overcome fear and procrastination and make bold decisions in their lives. She offers practical tips and exercises to help individuals put the 5-second rule into practice and create positive changes in their lives. Overall, the 5-second rule is a motivational book that presents the idea of the 5-second rule as a tool for personal growth and encourages readers to take action and make bold decisions in their lives. Here are the top 10 lessons and key takeaways from the book 5 Seconds Rule.
1. Taking action. The 5-second rule is all about taking immediate action, even when you're feeling scared or uncertain. 2. Overcoming fear. The 5-second rule can help you overcome fear and self-doubt by forcing you to act quickly and make bold decisions. 3. Breaking procrastination. By counting down from 5 and taking action, you can break the cycle of procrastination and start making progress. 4. Building confidence. The more you use the 5-second rule, the more confident you'll become in your ability to make decisions and take action. 5. Finding courage. The 5-second rule is a tool for finding courage and stepping outside your comfort zone. 6. Taking control. The 5-second rule helps you take control of your life and start living on your own terms. 7. Setting goals. By using the 5-second rule to take action, you'll be able to set and achieve your goals more effectively. 8. Improving relationships. The 5-second rule can help you improve relationships by encouraging you to communicate more openly and take risks. 9. Creating habits. The 5-second rule can help you establish new habits and break old, unproductive ones. 10. Embracing change. By using the 5-second rule, you'll become more comfortable with change and open to new experiences. An example of how the 5-second rule can be applied in real life is as follows. Let's say you want to start a new exercise routine, but you find yourself constantly procrastinating and putting it off. Using the 5-second rule, you would count down from 5 to 1 and immediately take action towards starting in your exercise routine, instead of letting fear and self-doubt hold you back. Over time, this repeated use of the rule can help you build confidence and establish a new habit, leading to improved health and wellness. Another example could be wanting to speak up in a meeting at work but feeling intimidated by coworkers or the situation. By counting down from 5 to 1 and taking immediate action, you can overcome the fear of speaking up and improve your professional relationships and growth opportunities.
My advice would be to embrace the 5-second rule as a tool for personal growth and development. It can be used in all areas of life, from personal relationships to career goals, to help overcome fear and self-doubt and take immediate action towards your aspirations. Remember to be patient and persistent, as the 5-second rule takes time and consistent application to develop into a habit. But with persistence and dedication, the 5-second rule can become a powerful tool for creating positive change in your life.